Hey folks, welcome back to Cafe Chronicles. On this episode of the Budget Cafe build, we're going to be taking a look at the chain.
So if you remember last time, we had our front new primary sprocket drive that we put in place. Also, we have our nice new rear sprocket as well. What we're going to do is we're going to pop our new chain on there and we'll get the tension right. We'll put on our new chain guard and we'll make sure that the alignment's right so that the rear wheel isn't following us like a sidecar. So let's get stuck in.
Alright, this is an Izumi chain. I don't know enough about chains to know if it's good or not.
So you're just zooming.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Steve will be here all week.
Try the deal.
It says heavy duty motorcycle chain, and I'm assuming that this is a heavy duty motorcycle on account of us heavy people riding it. When I ordered this chain, they did not have clip, what are these called?
Master link?
Yeah, master links. I just can't read Japanese. They didn't have clip master links, they only had the riveted ones. So I bought this riveted one and thought that we would sort of deal with it. But the fun thing is, they didn't clearly express that you could get the clip ones already included in the kit. So I have two master links now, which is exciting. But otherwise, we have brand new chain.
Alright, well that's it. We've got a little bit further, we got the chain on, we got it tensioned up properly.
There was a lot of tension.
It was a line, at one stage Dan and I didn't talk to each other just to make it more dramatic. Also we got the little stabilizer, the little linkage up for the rear caliper on there as well. And we're a little step closer. Quick one tonight, but it was kind of just something that we wanted to get out of the way. One thing we had a problem with was the linkage of the chain. Oh my gosh, it was
That was unnecessarily difficult.
Just a clip master link. But man, it was like a press fit almost, like it was nightmare. But anyways, thankfully we had beer. We drank all of it. Hence the not getting too much done. But we're a little step closer. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. It helps us, lets us know you're enjoying the videos, and helps the channel as well. We've got some really exciting stuff coming up. We've got some announcements coming up for season 3. We had a few comments on it. We're gonna keep you guys in the mix, but we gotta get this finished first. This is the important part. Get it on the road, get it safety, and get riding it. So thanks for tuning in. Stay safe.
See you next time.